Your phone just predicted what you were about to type. An AI diagnosed a rare disease faster than a specialist. Another AI is writing music, creating art, holding full conversations. So here is the question: is any of it actually alive? To answer that, we need to start with something surprisingly tricky. What does alive actually mean? Biology gives us a clear checklist. Living things have metabolism. They convert energy to survive and function. Living things reproduce. They create new versions of themselves. Living things maintain homeostasis. They regulate their internal conditions even when the outside world changes. And living things respond to stimuli as a biological function, not a programmed instruction. Every bacterium, every plant, every animal on Earth checks all 4 boxes. Now let's put AI up against that checklist. AI runs on electricity, but so does a lamp. AI can be copied, but that copy is made by a person clicking a button, not by the AI itself. AI doesn't grow, heal itself, or regulate its own temperature, and AI responds to inputs because engineers wrote code telling it to. By every scientific definition we have today, AI is not alive. But here is where it gets genuinely fascinating. There are AI systems called evolutionary algorithms, programs that mutate, compete, and improve across generations, mimicking natural selection. And there are self-replicating programs, code that can copy and spread itself without human input. Are those alive? Most scientists would say no, but the arguments start to sound remarkably similar to the ones we use when debating whether viruses are alive. And scientists have been having that debate for over a century. Some viruses are so stripped down that they cannot reproduce without hijacking a living cell. They sit right at the edge of what we call life. If the definition of alive has blurry edges even there, what does that mean for what we are building? As AI systems grow more complex, as they begin to model themselves, adapt in real time, and potentially run on biological components, the boundary between simulation and something more genuine may start to move. Not because AI is alive right now, but because our definitions of life were not built to handle what is coming. Over the past 11 episodes, we have explored intelligence, consciousness, AGI, emotions, and the future of AI. But all of those questions lead back to one final mystery. What does it actually mean to be alive? The question does not get easier the deeper you go. It gets bigger. This is the last video in Season 1 of Curious Minds Lab. If you have been here since Episode 1, thank you. You showed up for every question, and that genuinely matters. If you are just discovering us, go back to the beginning. The whole first season is right there waiting for you. If this video made you think, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who would love this kind of question. Stay subscribed. Season 2 is coming, and we are just getting started.